Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can buy a domain from Namecheap. So let's start. Google namecheap.com. Now click on Namecheap domain and hosting. On the home page, you can see domain. In the search bar, you can write the name of your domain which you select. If it's available, then amount come in front of you. Yes, my domain is available on Namecheap. Then I click on add to cart. Before add to cart, I scroll down. Many more websites are available with different prices, but their commercial words are low. So I select eventtrend365.com. I click on add to cart. After add to cart, I check my cart. On there, I have an option of promo code. For this purpose, you can search Namecheap promo codes. Various promo codes are available on their website. I select one and apply on there. It will be successfully applied, and due to this, firstly my domain is $11 something, and now after apply it, now I can show you how much its price. Now its price is $6. So this promo code apply is good. Now I confirm my order. Before purchasing, I fill this form, my name, last name, and many more things, address and everything. Fill this form, write, and then click on continue. After that, setup, billing, add your account names and everything, and click on buy. My domain name is purchased now, and then I go toward Namecheap dashboard. Now you can see our dashboard is open. On the home page of domain, I can see domain is purchased and it shows status active. I buy it for 1 year. Normally everyone buy it for 1 year. If it's run successfully, then you can purchase it for the next year. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next videos. Thank you.